Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So tomorrow is Crystal's birthday, but unfortunately I have to work tomorrow. So we are hanging out today instead, and we thought we'd do a video for you. And Crystal had lost a bet, so she had to do a recipe at my house using bananas, so that's what we're going to do today. And she is calling this Flash of Summer Smoothie. So let's get started.
We already have the ice in our blender. So Renee, if you would be so kind as to put the mangoes in first.
Okay, we've got a nice cut up mango here. We'll add that in.
Thank you very much.
And what's next?
The bananas.
We have 2 bananas.
And now the mango.
The mango's in.
Oh, whoopsie. Sorry. The plum.
Plum. And we have 2 plums that we've peeled and cut up.
Now comes the good stuff. Ready?
Yep.
A cup of milk.
Okay.
And some vanilla ice cream. Can't go wrong with vanilla ice cream, can you?
Nope.
My favorite.
Alright.
And finally, the last ingredient, and my opinion, the best of all, honey.
Alright, so we've got some honey here. And we'll drizzle some of that in. So I can get it open.
Is that a brand new one?
No, it was just a little stuck.
Ah.
Alright. And now
We'll get that blended up and we'll be right back.
Alright, so it is ready and it looks yummy, so let's pour some in a glass and give it a try. That's good.
I did good?
Yeah.
Cool.
You did very good.
Thank you.
Alright, so thank you for watching. Try this for yourself, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.